Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Toyota Highlander Limited. This one's maroon, under the hood's a 3.5 V6. This one has 19-inch wheels, tires are in good condition. Black leather interior, we've got a sunroof, rear seat entertainment. Coming around back here, we've got a trailer hitch, Highlander Limited all-wheel drive badging, power liftgate, all-season floor mats, fold down third row seats. Coming around back here, captain's seats in the rear. Got some rear climate controls. This one does come with the blind spot detection, heated mirrors, memory seats, power windows, JBL sound system, power seats. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, backup camera, touchscreen audio display, dual climate controls, automatic transmission, navigation, heated and cooled seats. This vehicle has 50,599 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Toyota, check out feldmanimports.com.